Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy rose cocktail. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 ounces of gin, 1 ounce of dry vermouth, and half an ounce of rose syrup. Don't forget a 1/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice and a dash of grenadine for that beautiful color. Make sure your cocktail shaker is ready, along with a jigger for precise measurements and a chilled coupe glass. Now that you have all your ingredients, it's time to mix. Pour the 2 ounces of gin, 1 ounce of dry vermouth, half an ounce of rose syrup, and a 1/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice into your cocktail shaker. Add a dash of grenadine. Fill the shaker about 2/3 full with ice. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. You want it thoroughly chilled. Once your cocktail is perfectly chilled, it's time to strain. Remove the lid from your shaker and use a fine mesh strainer to pour the liquid into your pre-chilled coupe glass. This ensures a smooth, ice-free drink. For a beautiful presentation, garnish with a fresh rose petal or a simple lemon twist. Serve your delightful rose cocktail immediately and savor its unique, refreshing flavor. There you have it, a perfectly crafted rose cocktail. Take a moment to enjoy the beautiful color and the harmonious blend of floral and citrus notes. This easy method is fantastic for impressing friends or simply treating yourself after a long day. It's a truly elegant drink that's surprisingly simple to make. Also, for an effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.